Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Style. To my returning subscribers, you're welcome. To my new subscribers, you're welcome. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how I draw this box braid frontal wig. So make sure you watch from beginning to the end to get more details on how I draw this frontal wig, the way I draw the way I outline the lines. So make sure you watch from beginning to the end. I will be right back. So now guys, this is net I will be using for this video, and I've done a video on how to cut a frontal yes, on how to cut a frontal using this particular net. So now I'm just trying to show you the net, and I'm trying to show you how I've sew and how I've done it. So guys, you can see how I've cut it. So I'll drop the way I cut this net in my description box because I've done it before. So now I'm just going to fold this net into two equal parts, like the way you're seeing right now on your screen, and then I'm going to pin it down with a safety pin, like the way you are seeing it on the screen with a pin. So I fold it into two, and then I'll pin it down with a safety pin like this. I fold it into two. So I'll drop in my description box the way I cut this particular net. I've done a video on it before now, so I'm just going to drop the link in my description box, so you guys should go ahead, tap on the screen, and you see the way I made this net. And moreover, this net is a ventilating net, and you can get this net from a tailor shop or those people that sells materials. So you can get this net from them. So guys, this is it when I've pinned it down. Like you can see clearly the way I've see clearly the way I pin it down. So now I'm just going to use a tape measure, like a tape rule. Yeah, you can use a ruler, you can use a tape rule, you can use anything that is convenient for you. And then I'm using a pro pencil. I always use a pro pencil. Yeah, so I'll be using a pro pencil, the one used for makeup. So it's the one I'm using, and then I'll be placing this tape measure on the net, and I'm going to first measure 1 inch, like this 1 inch. I'm measuring it right from the front side. So this 1 inch is just the essence net that shows on a frontal wig. So that's why I just draw it out. The first 1 inch, I drew it out like this. So then after drawing, I use a ruler to connect it together. Anything, and if your hand is straight, you can just go ahead and rule it with your hand, but just to make it perfect, I use a ruler to connect it together, the way you are seeing right on your screen now. So I use a ruler to connect it together, and then I'll go ahead and start how should I put it? Okay, this is it. I've ruled the first 1 inch out. So the next one, I'll be measuring another 1 inch. Sorry, this I don't know, I was not doing the video clearly. So now I just measured 1 inch right from the first 1 inch I've ruled at first to the back side, right from the front to the back side. So I measured 1 inch for everything like this, the way you're seeing it on the screen, and then I will just rule it out the way I first ruled the front side, the way I ruled the first one. I'm going to rule everything just like that. I'm going to rule everything. And when I ruled everything, it turns out to be 6. Yeah, 6, I guess. So it's everything. I ruled everything is turned out to be 6. Yes. So I just rolled it like that. And if you want your frontal to be a little bit bigger, like you want it to be bigger, like you can just go to my description box and check the way I made this frontal net. And if you want this frontal to be more big, you see it there how to make it bigger. You are just going to add some inches to it so to make it bigger. For the purpose of this video, I don't want it to be too big. I just want it little like this. Yeah. So now I've ruled everything out just like this. You can see I've rolled it out, and then I'll just go ahead and start marking another 1 inch. The breadth I measured 1 inch, and the length now, the breadth I measure 1 inch. So the length now I'm going to measure another 1 inch. We are giving it a cube shape, like a cube shape, a square shape. A square shape, the 4 angles will be equal. We are doing a box braid thing, so the 4 angles will be equal. So the 4 angles will be 1 inches, like 1 inch the breadth, 1 inch the length will be 1 inch, and then you connect it together the way you are seeing right on your screen. So you connect everything, you connect them together like this. So I've said earlier, always use what's convenient for you. This was convenient for you. Anything you can know that that will be convenient for you for this video, use it. It's not a must you use a brow pencil or a ruler. If you know your hand is straight enough, you will have to use a hand. And if you want to go for a ruler, you can even use a tail comb for the video. You can use a tail comb to rule the lines like this. You can see. So guys, this is it. This is a box braid. I said box. This is a box 6, the box. So guys, I just measured the first side. So this is the second side. This is the other side. So definitely the way you rule that first side is going to be showing. Is definitely going to show at the other side. I think you get what I'm saying. So you just have to use the ruler and check the former one I've ruled like this and just rule it out. You can see it's very easy. That's the essence of folding. And if you don't want to fold also, you can just do it on a straight line. Just make sure your hand is straight and the ruler is fucking straight. So I said fucking straight. Yeah, fucking straight. And some people have their hands are straight. Is more straight than a ruler. Yes, so you can use a hand. I'm just doing this video to just give you a clue on how I did it. And this is it. When I fold everything, like that's the length I drew at first, and this is the breadth I'm drawing also. So I went on drawing the length, the breadth, and now the length, and now the breadth. I'm just trying to copy the one that I've drew at first, like at the fourth side, and this is the second side. So I'm just drawing it. So that's the essence of folding it. Abby, I'm good, right? So that's the essence of folding, guys. So you just keep drawing like this. So now after drawing, the middle side is still going to how should I put it, the middle side will still be there. The place we fold, we actually still remains. We can't draw it. It won't be easy for us to draw it at first. So now this is it. This is the frontal net now, and you can see that the middle is still blank. There's no line there, and the way I fold it is still showing. Just go ahead and use your ruler to draw the place I fold like this. You can see how perfect it is, how easy it is, and it will be very easy for you to just go ahead and start ventilating your your box braid small. And this is the one I've done earlier before this also. So the two I'm going to, so make sure you watch this video to the end. My next video that will be dropping. So in that next video, I'm going to show you guys how I actually ventilate on this particular net. You can see the video up here, this video. So make sure you subscribe, like and share to see this particular video on how I ventilate. Please subscribe, please, and please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.